Did anyone notice that the brownies taste like shit today?
Yeah, you guys just want to go out to recess?
Playground's burned down, dude.
Ugh.
Playground's burned down, everyone hates us, brownies taste like shit. Everything just sucks right now. That's it. I'm not gonna just sit here and be miserable. It's time for me to start acting like a man. Hey, Clyde! How come you told Wendy I said I was gonna be drowning in bitches? Because that's what she said. That's not what I meant, and you know it! I thought you were supposed to be my friend! Was that before or after you told me to fuck myself? Tell her you lied, asshole! You're the asshole!
Whoa. Hey, cool it down, dude. This isn't gonna get us anywhere.
3, 2,
I like your startup company.
1, go!
Kyle just hit Clyde! Get it!
I don't know who threw the